Cloud technology is rapidly advancing and changing the way we do business. Nearly 90% of companies rely on cloud computing, and spending on cloud services is estimated to have hit $97 billion last year. As companies continue investing in cloud migration, hybrid cloud has emerged as the secure, flexible solution that many large and mid-sized companies are choosing. As a result, the demand for engineers who can build and maintain hybrid solutions is growing rapidly. That's why Udacity has teamed up with Nutanix, the industry leader in hybrid cloud infrastructure, to build the Hybrid Cloud Engineer Nanodegree program. With the guidance of expert instructors from Nutanix, you'll learn how to navigate the Nutanix hyper-converged infrastructure platform, design a hybrid application deployment, and translate infrastructure requirements into a calm blueprint. These skills will equip you with the tools you need to successfully complete real-world projects throughout this program as you design a hybrid cloud solution, create a hybrid cloud application architecture, and launch a marketplace blueprint. Prepare yourself for the future of cloud technology. Enroll today in the Hybrid Cloud Engineer Nanodegree program and be in demand.